Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arvind and you're catching on another Sudoku gameplay video, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed all the Sudoku gameplay video that I've shown to you so far. By the way, in this video, I'm going to show you the third Sudoku gameplay, guys. If you haven't watched the second Sudoku gameplay, don't worry, I've uploaded in the link above. You can have a look at them. So without further delay, let's watch the third Sudoku gameplay now. Okay guys, so I hope that you have enjoyed this Sudoku gameplay that I've shown to you. If you think that this Sudoku gameplay is enjoyable and knowledgeable at the same time, so make sure you leave this video a thumbs up. If you want more similar content regarding Sudoku gameplay, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming Sudoku gameplay in the future. Thank you so much for your support and I'll see you next time.